Hey folks, so today I'd like to talk about the Primary Care Women's Health Forum and their guideline for primary care providers for prescribing HRT. HRT can be a tricky one to prescribe and it's really important we get it right. Obviously it depends on the type of symptoms they have and the diagnosis you make has to be accurate. It does help a little bit with that and it goes through very quickly goes through the NICE guidelines for that. Also it talks about the risks that can be associated with HRT. My favourite part about this guideline is the flow chart, which is down here near the bottom. You can see on page 19, and basically it goes through people who are going through the menopause, whether their last menstrual period is less than 1 year, over 1 year, or if they're post-hysterectomy, and then how to prescribe based on that. So it's just a really handy thing to have in a consultation to make sure that you're prescribing correctly. Hope this is helpful. Cheers.